Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create expense from the meeting screen. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev create expense from meeting. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to calendar app, go to anyone, like changes in designing, and see here this button for create expense. Now click on add description like about expense. Select here product like a screw. Total quantity is 2. Set here unique price like a 50. Select here expense date and employee is company is already assigned to admin and company is my company. Now create expense. So see here your expense is created. Now open and also display in form view. Display here description. Category it means product is screw. Unit price. Total quantity is 2 and employee is admin. So you can easily create it multiple expense from the meeting screen. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.